Welcome, and thank you for your interest in Administrative Controls Management's Project Documentation Workshop. ACM offers a variety of courses, lunch and learn webinars, and training sessions. Our website provides a full list of these services along with the current training and course schedule. Project Documentation is a half-day workshop that provides project managers and project foremen with documentation and activity records knowledge, equipping them for success. The Project Documentation Workshop is offered in two formats for a customized experience: a format for project managers and a format for project foremen. The two formats have been developed to better address the specific demands and responsibilities of the two distinct management levels. Class sizes are limited to accommodate interaction and discussion among workshop participants. This provides a quality, interactive experience. ACM has experience in training and serving projects, both nationwide and worldwide. For more information, please contact ACM at 734-995-9640. We would love to hear from you. Also, visit our website at www.acmpm.com. Administrative Controls Management is established at a variety of locations, including Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio. Our vision is to be your first choice for project management. Our mission is to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Once again, thank you for your interest in our courses and what we have to offer. We look forward to hearing from you soon.